We are now down to 11 balls, and we started with 25.
How many balls? Help me win the balls. How many you got the balls?
But you threw them.
I did.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
No.
Yes, you did.
No. No.
There's one right here.
Huh?
Underneath your bike.
Under my bike?
Under your bike.
How about it's under my bike again? Where did it go now?
I don't know.